Hello language enthusiasts, and welcome to our Festive Language Celebration. Today, we're embracing the joy and magic of the holiday season. We're going to explore some delightful Christmas and New Year idioms and phrases. So, if you're ready to get into the holiday mood, stay tuned. And please, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more festive language fun. Let's explore our holiday language buffet together. Our first phrase is deck the halls, which means to decorate your home for Christmas. It's all about bringing that festive cheer indoors with holly and lights. Next, jingle bells. These aren't just for Santa's sleigh, they symbolize the musical sound of Christmas, bringing joy wherever they're heard. Dreaming of a white Christmas? This phrase is all about the hope for snow on Christmas Day, adding a magical touch to the festive season. Yuletide cheer is another one. It's the happiness and festive spirit that fills the air during the Christmas season. Caught under the mistletoe? This romantic tradition means if you find yourself under this plant, a kiss might be in your future. Remember, Christmas comes but once a year, so make the most of this joyful season and create lasting memories. Trimming the tree is not just about decorating, it's a cherished activity that brings families together during the holidays. And when it comes to holiday gatherings, the more the merrier is the motto. It's all about enjoying the festivities with as many friends and family as possible. Don't forget to share season's greetings and good tidings. These are traditional ways to wish others happiness during the holidays. Participating in Secret Santa? This fun gift exchange is a staple of Christmas celebrations in many places. As we approach Christmas Eve and Boxing Day, the excitement builds, and the celebrations continue. Singing a Christmas carol or looking for that perfect stocking stuffer? These are ways to spread joy and surprise loved ones. And if you hear bah humbug, you've met someone who's not quite in the holiday spirit yet. Now, let's not forget the 12 days of Christmas, a period full of joy and celebration, leading us right into the new year. Speaking of New Year's, ringing in the new year is all about celebrating the moment the clock strikes midnight. Out with the old, in with the new, this phrase captures the essence of New Year's resolutions and fresh starts. And as we sing Auld Lang Syne, we reminisce about old times and look forward to new beginnings. Turning over a new leaf is another way to talk about making positive changes as the new year begins. Don't miss the ball drop or the countdown to midnight. These are iconic New Year's Eve traditions that symbolize the start of a new year. Engaging in first footing or making a New Year's resolution? These traditions and commitments set the tone for the year ahead. And if you're feeling the January blues after all the festivities, remember, it's a common feeling as we transition back to our routines. But let's not forget, New Year, New Me. It's a time to reinvent ourselves and embrace new opportunities. As we raise our glasses for a toast to the new year, let's cherish these moments and look forward to what the new year brings. Remember, year in, year out, these traditions and phrases enrich our celebrations and bring us together. Let's explore some scenarios where you can use these festive phrases and idioms. Imagine you're decorating your home with your family. As you hang ornaments and lights, you might say, "We're really decking the halls this year." It's a great way to acknowledge the effort and joy in holiday decorating. Or picture a snowy Christmas morning. You wake up, see the snow-covered ground, and exclaim, "It's a white Christmas, just like the song." It's a perfect way to capture the magic of a snowy holiday. Now, think about a holiday party. As more guests arrive, you cheerfully say, "The more the merrier." This phrase welcomes everyone and highlights the joy of being together. Let's not forget New Year's Eve. As the clock strikes 12, you raise your glass and say, "Here's to ringing in the new year." It's a classic way to celebrate the moment and welcome the year ahead. And if you're discussing your New Year's resolutions with a friend, you might say, "I'm turning over a new leaf this year." It's a hopeful statement about personal change and new beginnings. Imagine you received a gift that wasn't quite your style. You might tell a friend, "I know I shouldn't look a gift horse in the mouth, but the sweater is really not my taste." It's a polite way to acknowledge the gift while being honest about your feelings. Or, if you're feeling a bit down after the holidays, you might say, "I've got the January blues." It's a relatable way to express the post-holiday slump many of us feel. In a moment of holiday stress, you might remind yourself, "Don't get your tinsel in a tangle." It's a playful reminder to stay calm and enjoy the festive season. These phrases and idioms aren't just words, they're a part of our holiday traditions and experiences. They add color and personality to our conversations and help us share the joy and spirit of the season. So, this holiday season, try sprinkling these phrases into your conversations. You'll not only enhance your language skills, but also spread holiday cheer. Thank you again for joining us. We hope this festive language guide adds a sparkle to your holiday conversations. Happy holidays, and may your new year be filled with joy and new learning adventures. Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year!